Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out what I have here. I have the CRESIMO, and it is a stainless steel thermal coffee carafe. I only sliced this top just to make it easier to open for the video, but I guess I didn't finish cutting it open, so it's not opened yet. There, now it's open, and I'll show you guys what we got here. We have the carafe in here, and then we have some instructions on it here, if I can open it up. It's a 3-liter lever action air pot. So that's kind of the details of it there. Here's some caution information for it. Well, okay. Well, let's see what we do here. I'll open it up and show you all what it looks like. Got a lot of bubble wrap, so it came packed very well. And this is what it looks like here. So it's got that little push button on it. I guess it unscrews to fill up, so you would unscrew it. Looks like it's got a good thermal double wall kind of thing here, so it's definitely a nice solid one here. So you would fill it with your hot water. I mean, I don't have any hot water at the moment, I just have water. But we'll fill it with some water, or coffee, or soup, or whatever it is you want to do. Hot cocoa. So now I've got, it's not completely full. But there we go, we'll screw it on, and it looks like it stops when it hits that point there, and then if I go like this, nothing happens. And then if I push the button, it does that, and then pretty good, and then it doesn't really leak. There's no more leaking after it or anything like that. I guess there's a little bit left in it. Let me see, let's try it again. So if I do that, I stop, then yeah, no more leaking. So it's got a good seal on it, and I think it's a nice, super, double wall kind of thing. So it's gonna keep my coffee warm and not burn your hands by touching it as well. So it's kind of cool. So it's it looks nice. It really does. It looks good. So you can keep this out during a party or something like that, and it'll keep your stuff nice and warm. So how cool is that? It says incredible tension, no condensation buildup. I guess if you were going to use some cold stuff, you wouldn't have to worry about condensation as well. But really nice, and it seems like a super quality one here. It's not like thin. It's not going to dent or anything like that, unless you'd really have to do a number to it, get it to that. So I'm going to say this is a really nice little carafe. So if you're going to be doing anything where you need to store some hot liquids or whatever, tea, water, whatever, be great for like camping and stuff even too. You can just keep it in there and it'll probably stay warm all day. So very nice. Thumbs up for sure.